age of 9, Johnny Bosco saw a man nobly attired who stopped from beating the children who were cursing.
In the street the man said to him, "You will never win the hearts with blows, but with
Gentleness and kindness, you will show them all the ugliness of sin."
Johnny dazed for a moment, and the man then said to him, "I will give you a teacher, inner guidance, you'll understand." Then a majestic lady appeared. She took Johnny by the hand, showed him all the children who had turned into animals, so curious that he couldn't understand.
Then the lady said to him, "Make yourself humble, step fast and strong, and you will see what will happen to these animals. That's what you have to do for my children."
As Johnny looked at the animals, they all turned into gentle lambs. Then he asked what was all about. The lady said to him, "You'll understand." Johnny lived up to his dreams. You will never win the hearts with blows, but with
Gentleness and kindness, you will show them all the ugliness of sin. Everything of the world today has its dream and fear. No, no, it shall be continued.
those who turn into lambs, his dream is our dream.
We will change the youngsters
into good Christians and citizens,
with Don Bosco's way, the way of loving kindness. Let Don Bosco's dream never fade away, but let it be our dream today. Let Don Bosco's dream never fade away, but let it be our dream today. But let it be our dream today. Thank you so much.